So my name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. So this video will be quite fun kind of a video because I'll be drawing two different eyeliners on my eyes and you will find the comparison is huge. So basically the thing is we have to understand what kind of eyeliners and what shape. There are like n number of shapes and n number of ways you can draw the eyeliner and stuff, but you have to understand what kind of eyeliner suits your eyes and what shape of eyeliner makes your eyes look good. So obviously all the eyes are beautiful, but there is no harm in enhancing the beauty. So as you can see, my eyes have no makeup at all and no eyeliner at all, and you're gonna see a huge ass difference when I even apply a single stroke of liner on my lash line. And the two different eyeliners that I'll be doing is one winged liner and another winged liner. I mean both are winged liners only, but there will be a difference in both of them. So I won't be talking much because I'm gonna start with the video now. So let's begin with the video. So I'll be doing winged liner on both the eyes. On the left side, I'll do my the classic winged liner, and here I'll do a kind of elongated winged liner. You can see the difference when I'll do it. And also the products I'm using are this is my forever liner. I don't think I've used any other liner other than this. I once tried Color Bar, but I did not find it good, so I'll be using Lakme Insta Liner. So the first I'll be doing my basic everyday eyeliner and on my left eye, and so let's begin.
So what I do first is I start at the middle of my eye.
Immediately a major difference in both the eyes. I mean, come on. That's the thing about eyeliners, people. So I've drawn one simple line very close to my lash line. Now I'm going to draw the wing liner, my basic wing liner, and as you can see, this line is very close to my lash line. I have not gone overboard. So you always keep in mind that you have to move towards the end of the eyebrow. I've drawn the line and now I'm going to do the wing. So what I usually do is I go from the mid towards the end, and you can always do it like vice versa. You can always go from the end towards the mid or mid towards the end. I guess that is it, you guys. My hair is getting weird. As you can see, it is very basic, very simple, yet there's difference. So this is like my go-to liner, like for everyday basis, and I don't do much with my eyes other than liner. And this is the most thing and the extreme thing that I do. And I don't like to apply eyeshadows and stuff, and I just go with this basic liner and apply some mascara and I'm good to go. Now coming towards this eye, I'm gonna do a different liner here. So as you might have noticed, I started from the mid here, but I'm going to start from the edge of my eye. So I'm going to draw the line first. Again, towards the end of the eyebrow. The line is straight.
Now, I read like this.
So I've drawn the line and now I'm going to fill it. kind of simple when you draw the outline and then you just have to fill it. Oh my god, the difference is huge. So I have filled this part and I'm going to go very thin towards the corner of my eye. See you guys, both the eyeliners are different. This is like my basic, or I would say classic wing liner, and this is like a boldish liner, and I can guarantee on this thing that both my eyes look amazing, but on an individual part, here's the difference guys, here's the difference. And of course liners do make a huge difference. That was the whole concept that I wanted to share with you guys, that you have to understand what liner and what shape of the liner suits you well. This is my different eyeliners look, and stating the fact that eyeliners do make a huge difference. So that's it you guys. I hope you guys liked my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.